everyone, this is Gina. Today I wanted to make a real quick video giving the results of a drawing I did a couple of days ago in one of my videos. So I was giving away the pieces that I made in that video. So I made two necklace and earring sets. One is with the Prussian blue color and the other is with a lighter blue color. And I'm keeping the earrings with the necklaces. So two people will get one of these or one of these, and then two more people will get a bracelet. So I'm just going to show you the names, and I'm not going to tell you which one you won. I'm just going to send them out, and you will either receive a bracelet or a necklace set. So the way we've done this is my daughter-in-law just went and looked through the comments and just chose 4 people randomly, because she's not familiar with all of you, and I figured that would be a very fair way to do this. Though I love you all the same, I don't want you to think that I'm playing favorites. So she just picked 4, sent me a screenshot of them, and these are the people that won. So the first person that won is Elizabeth Payne. The second person, Dorothy. The third person, Jennifer Graves Perry. And the fourth person, Gail Draper. So what I want you to do is go to my website, ggctreasures.com, and go to the contact tab, fill out the support little message thing, and send me a message that you won. Put your name and address in that so that I can send you your prize. And there's also on my website, under the contact information, there's several ways to get a hold of me. So you can get a hold of me one way or the other through my website. You can also leave a chat message on there too. So however you decide to do that, just get a hold of me through the website. Otherwise, it just gets really buried in my email and I don't see them. So if you do it that way, I will be able to get to you right away and send you out your gift. Thank you for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it, and I'll try to do more of these giveaways as I'm making stuff because it's fun. Anyway, thank you for watching, and winners, just let me know how to get a hold of you or how to send your stuff to you. Okay, bye-bye.